Okay, here we have the Rogers Power Squat. So something that I want to highlight on this, if you load at the top peg, it will be heaviest at the bottom of your movement. If you load it on the low peg, it will be heaviest at the top of the movement. So dependent on how you adjust this, it will determine where the heaviest part of the movement is. So when I'm getting into this, obviously you'll load the pegs, you'll step in. To unlock it, you just slide these in. You have to make sure they're both slid in. Then again, I want my feet slightly wider than my shoulders. And when I'm squatting, I'm aiming to drive my knees outwards and forward. So you should be moving in a straight linear line. So when I squat, I'm driving my knees out and up. Dependent on your ankle flexion and ankle mobility, you may need to use a wedge, which we have over here to the left for usability. And that is the Rogers Power Squat.